This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. We are finished to put all our cleaning supplies inside the van. Hilda is closing the storage. Juan Carlos is closing the van. We are ready to do our cleaning services. We are a small cleaning company right here in Devonport, close to Champions Gate, and you can call us at 407-572-4118.
Time to work. Have a nice weekend.
And what I love about the business is that our clients live close to us. I'm gonna show you exactly how close. Especially with the coronavirus, you have to pay attention and respect for your client, how you clean. So this is the season where you are more cautious about your clothes, your disinfectant equipment, your gloves, your shoes protector, and things like that. We cover pretty much all Central Florida, but my main base is Devonport and Champions Gate. Our neighbor is our client. Most of our clients are local. We are a small local business, and you can call us at 407-572-4118. And we just arrived. How about that? I was talking and they were driving slow. But in 2 minutes we arrived to the house. They're gonna start taking out the equipment. We do pretty much all maid services, housekeeping, organization, tile, grout, carpet. We sanitize the bathroom. So check our website. I strongly recommend to check about our business, check the website, our videos. We have really good Google reviews, a lot of videos on YouTube channel. And thank you for watching. Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com.